Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited that you guys will be learning how to create WhatsApp AI. Like this is first of its kind. Like you won't find it anywhere. And thank God, you guys are actually getting this first hand from me. Um, well, let me quickly introduce myself. Then before we go on, I am Oshekotek and I am a WhatsApp automation expert, right? I was once a customer care representative with MTN Nigeria, and today, God, God's willing, I have worked with several businesses and several personalities, several brands, help them automate their WhatsApp in a way that it will reply messages automatically, even while they are asleep, even when they are not online, and it will help them auto save their contact without they even touching their phone or even while they are asleep. Like it's amazing. It's amazing. So that is not what we are learning here. What we are learning is just how to create WhatsApp AI. But in case you want to learn, you want me to help you automate your WhatsApp in a way that you don't need to be online for everything to be going on. Maybe you generate massive leads to your WhatsApp. Maybe you generate heavy leads to your WhatsApp and you find it really difficult to reply the messages to save their contact. I am the right guy for you to come in and I'm going to help you automate your WhatsApp. And all you have to be doing is to be smiling all through and watching your leads coming in, and everybody is getting answered. Like, these things are amazing. They are amazing. You want to really get on this. That's if you generate massive leads. Yeah, so that's, by the way, that's just me saying that's what I do. And today I've decided that I want to give you guys this. This is a first-hand information. This is a first-hand work that I've not thought anywhere. I've not even thought my premium clients. As a matter of fact, some of my premium clients are right in here. But today I'm going to reveal these to you guys. And I know most of you are here and maybe you got access to this for absolute free, right? There's no problem. So stay till the end of this video and I'm going to be showing you how the simple way you can link your WhatsApp to ChatGPT, right? We know ChatGPT is the latest AI. Now, the reason why I said we are going to create WhatsApp AI, first of all, the meaning of AI means artificial intelligence. Now, what this means is it's kind of a bot, but then the bot sounds like human. The bot is it gives kind of this empathy. You know, when a bot is talking, usually you get to know that this thing is a bot. But in this case, you might really find it difficult to know if you're actually chatting with a bot or a human. That's because it's adding human feelings to its kind of statement. It's adding emotions to its kind of sentences. And that is why you find it really difficult to know if you're actually chatting with a bot. But because this AI is a small AI, what I mean is a small AI. AIs are just like we have baby AI, we have AI that are learned, maybe they have learned over time. So it depends on how you nurture your AI that will determine how it will learn. But in this tutorial, I'm not teaching you how you can nurture your AI. Okay, I'm just teaching you how you can just create AI, like a small baby AI that can just be responding to your messages. It might flop, it might make mistake, but then it will be responding to your messages. So if by the time we are done, okay, I'm going to say something really amazing at the end. So stick to the very end of this video and do not skip any part, please, so you don't miss out a very important point. So straight away, the first thing we want to do is for us to be able to create WhatsApp AI, we just need the Chat GPT, which is the AI that we're going to be linking to our autoresponder. And our autoresponder is what is reading our WhatsApp and then we reply the message. So that's basically how it works. Just the way you saw it on the image, it is the same way. So ChatGPT plus autoresponder gives us WhatsApp AI. It gives us what? WhatsApp AI. Don't mind me. I'm just making you guys feel like you're in nursery school. All right. So that's by the way. Now, the first thing we want to do, the first thing we want to do is we want to click on our autoresponder. You must have made sure you have downloaded this. You can go to Play Store to download this, or if you're watching this in this my tutorial, you can see the link around the tutorial and then you just download it from the link, right? So as soon as you download the link, check the description part of the video or whatever you're watching this video, just check around the video. You're going to see a link where you can download this and get it. So after downloading, click on the application. This is how you're going to see it. So click on any part and click on close. So we create a new rule, and this is how we create a new rule. Can you see this plus icon here? You select it, and this is how you're going to see it. So you put star here. Star means it's going to be responding to anything, right? Everything. Your WhatsApp AI is going to be responding to them. So if you go down here, can you see where we have connect open AI? Yes, connect open AI chatgpt / GPT-3. So you select the connect open AI. As soon as you select on it, this is how it's going to appear. Just click on OK, and don't mind all these things. Don't touch anything here. You don't have business with all this. So just calm down, and you're going to see different things here. But where we are aiming at is this API key. Can you see this API key? This part here. Yes, we need API key to just come and put here. And how do we get that API key? We need to get it from ChatGPT. But then this is how you get ChatGPT. You need to get an account with them, right? And remember, it is OpenAI that actually created ChatGPT. So we need to open an account with openai.com. So let's go to our Chrome or whatever browser you're using, and then we search for the name OpenAI, like OPEN, then AI, then .com. Then you search for it. Now, as soon as you search for this is how it's going to appear, right? Because you're not logged in. Click on API at the top. As soon as you click on API, it will prompt you to log in. Now, if you have not gotten an account with these guys, you need to sign up. Okay, sign up using this button. But if you have got an account already, just go ahead, log in, and put in your details. I already have an account, so put in my details, sign in, and here we go. This is my account. It says welcome to OpenAI. So click on these 3 lines at the top for us to be able to find where our API key is. Click on the 3 lines and you're going to see this option. Go to the very bottom where we have personal. Click on personal. And you're going to see view API keys. Click on view API keys. And you can see my API keys, right? They are here. Please, in case you have not generated, it will prompt you. You can see this bottom here that says create new secret key, right? Just click on it and it will generate a new one for you. As soon as it generates a new one, please copy it and paste it somewhere, because this API, as soon as you leave the page, you cannot see it again. You cannot come and copy it again. You only copy it once. So as soon as you copy it, go and paste it somewhere. You can go to your notepad, go and paste it there. Make sure it is safe. Okay, keep it somewhere safe that you can always have access to it. Very important. So mine is already safe, and I don't want you guys to see mine. I don't want you guys to see mine. So that is why I'm not going to show you. But then this is how the API usually looks. Let's go back to Autoresponder. Let's assume we have copied it. And if we come here, here is where we are going to paste it, right? The API key usually start with like SK and then dash, then blah, 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 and so many other jargons, right? It's just like this. So this is how the API key looks like. So I'm going to go get my own. I'm going to pause this video and then get my own. Then we continue from there, right? Okay, guys, I just pasted mine now, and as soon as you paste it, it's only 2 things you are doing here. First, you put your star, and second, you make sure you select the ChatGPT blah 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 option. Make sure you tick it. Remember what we did now. So those options will come out, and go and find your API key and place your API key where it should be, and then save this work by clicking on the stick icon. Please don't change anything. You see all those things that we saw at the bottom. Don't change anything. Just go and click open, connect open.ai. That's all you need. And then put your star here. That's all you need. And then you save it, right? Now your AI is ready. How do we test it? You can come to this place where we have this test icon at the top. Click on it and just say hello. And it's going to answer you. And you can begin a chat with this stuff. You can ask it any question you want to. You can see it says, hi there, how can I help you? I would love to learn video editing. So that's my request. Let's see what it's going to say. Now, let's see, it says, sure, video editing is a fun and creative activity. You can find lots of helpful tutorials online to get you started. What type of video editing are you interested in? I might just say, I would love to. I am interested in marketing video editing. Let's see what it has to say. So you can see the response is more like see, it's even giving me a link to click. So it says, great, there are many tutorials online that teach you the basic of marketing video editing. You can also find lots of resources on YouTube, lynda.com, and Udemy. Do you have any other question about video editing? So now imagine how this conversation will keep going like continuously, non-stop. So this is how the AI works, and this is a simple way that you also can create your AI, right? But one thing is that your AI will always be responding to people. Anybody that comes to your DM, it's going to be responding to them, and sometimes it might not really give them like the answers that you want it to give to them. Now, that doesn't really sound well. Now, this is what I want to do for you, right? I want to make you set up an AI that will respond like human, an AI that can be nurtured. Remember, I said AI are like children, and some of them are like adults, right? They are like people who are reasonable, who have learned over time. Now, if you want to learn a way that you can nurture your AI, where your AI will begin to, respond to queries, where your AI will begin to respond to things just the way you want it to, because this one will not be responding, to be responding based on whatever it has in chatgpt, right? And chatgpt does not know you. So how do you nurture this your WhatsApp AI so that it begins to respond to your customers, it begins to do the necessary follow-up for you whenever customers chat you up? That is exactly what I'll be showing you in the WhatsApp AI Mastery, right? WhatsApp AI Mastery. Now, this is not a free class. This part of the class is not a free class. I decided to give you part of this class for free, and this one is not going to be free. This is going for 20,000 naira. Yes, 20,000 naira. Now, but then don't be scared, because you guys that are here right now, as at the time I did this free class, right? You guys will be having this at an like a very, very like good price. You're not going to be having it for not even 10,000 naira. You won't be having it for 10,000 naira. As a matter of fact, you won't be having it for 5,000 naira. Now, I know you're beginning to think, am I crazy at this point? I want to do some crazy stuff, right? Yeah, I mean it. Now, the first 20 people, right, that will be taking action right now, the first 20 people are the people I'll be giving this particular access to, right? The first 20 people is what I just need. So you are going to be making a payment of just 2,500 naira, right, in Nigeria currency. But if you're paying outside Nigeria, please, you are paying $6. You are paying $6. And in the first 20 persons is what I just need. I don't need any other person. If after the first 20 persons, you guys will be paying the normal amount. You guys will be paying the normal amount. So that is exactly what I am going to be showing you, how you can nurture these bots, how you can nurture this WhatsApp AI in a way that it will respond to your queries, in a way that it will respond to customers the way you want it, not just giving you random response from chatgpt, right? You can nurture your AI. You can tell it exactly what you want it to be responding to. That's exactly what I'll be showing you, and many more. I'll also show you how you can use Autoresponder perfectly. So if you want to be part of this 20%, quickly go to my DM right now. Just request for account details, and then the bot will give it to you. Make the payment ASAP. Now, for those who are not in Nigeria, just come to my DM and reply with payment. If you are in Nigeria, reply with account details. But if you are not in Nigeria, just go and request just a payment, and you are going to get a link that you can easily make your payment. So this is where we are going to stop. this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot. Do fast now, go get the bundle then before the price gets back to 20,000 naira. Like what I'm going to teach you guys are massive. I can't even start stating them on this video. So quickly rush into and then do the needful.